I am coming to you from the Baghjan oil field or the Oil India Limited, and here you can see behind me this oil field is on fire since yesterday afternoon. And although the fire which had spread to the neighboring areas has now been restricted to a 1.5 kilometer radius around the oil field, we are reporting from a safe zone because beyond that we are not allowed to go inside. And you can see here the flames are going high. You can see the flames are, you can see the intensity of the gas which is coming out from the oil field, which is burning at this moment. Now this oil field suffered a blowout on the 27th of May, and for a fortnight there was leakage of gas along with oil condensate. But on Tuesday around 1:30 p.m. this oil field caught fire. It was a massive fire. In fact, the fire spread across this Baghjan area. Several houses have been gutted. In fact, because there was an oil leak for a fortnight, local people were already evacuated by Oil India Limited and they have been put in 12 relief camps. However, there have been a lot of loss to property in this area. In fact, an overnight operation took place by Oil India Limited as well as ONGC and fire tenders from Indian Air Force that was able to at least restrict the spread of the fire. But there behind me you can see we are reporting from ground zero. This oil field is on fire. In fact, Foreign Express from Singapore have taken charge of trying to kill this oil field, but it will take at least 4 weeks. First they have to get hold of, get control over this fire. In fact, it's very difficult to report from here. There is smell of the petroleum fuel, and even my eyes are burning as I'm reporting from ground zero at Baghjan. You can see our camera person Sanjay Chakravarti is showing you the intensity. Now the flames of this fire and the smoke can be seen from far off places. When we were traveling to this part of Assam, which is over 550 kilometers away from Guwahati, very remote, we could see these flames over an hour's time, and we've actually followed the flames to come to this place and report and from here. And authorities are saying that 4 people have sustained injuries. There are 2 deaths. 2 firefighters of Oil India Limited have suffered injuries. Oil India Limited is going to compensate their families. However, now the focus is on getting hold of this oil field, getting control over this flame which is there, and only after this the leakage of the gas can be capped. From Baghjan with Sanjay Chakravarti, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.